The Google Pixel Pro 9 Fold is a vastly improved foldable phone with the biggest screen in its class, a super thin design and improved cameras. The AI features are quite impressive too, including Pixel Studio, Add Me and Gemini Live. Talk about going back to the drawing board, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is radically different than the original Pixel Fold. In fact, it's the biggest evolution I have seen in years from one phone model to the sequel, and these are very impressive changes. The main display is now 8 inches, up from 7.6 inches, making this the biggest screen on a foldable, and it's 80% brighter. The 6.3-inch cover screen is still plenty wide out, but with a narrower aspect ratio to easily slip into a pocket. At 0.2 inches thick open and 0.4 inches closed, this is one of the thinnest foldables on earth. Weighing a little bit more than 9 ounces, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is refreshingly lighter. The AI features are actually more impressive than gimmicky with quick results thanks to the Tensor G4 chip. It's almost like Google read all the reviews and comments about the first Pixel Fold and came up with a checklist of things to improve, and then they executed. Google didn't radically change the cameras on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, but you do get an improved ultra-wide camera with dedicated macro mode now. The Google promises better panoramic photos that are easier to take and look way better in low light. So did Google do enough to make our best foldable phone list? We'll have to do our full testing first, but based on my initial impressions, this device certainly has what it takes to challenge the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and OnePlus Open. Here's what I think about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold so far. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a mouthful when it comes to saying the name, but it mostly lives up to it given all the changes Google has made to this foldable phone. You get a huge main display in a super thin design that's easier to carry, a powerful Tensor G4 chip, and impressive AI features that make Apple Intelligence look quaint. I also appreciate the redesigned aspect ratio for the displays and the modest camera upgrades. And that brings me to my biggest complaint. While the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is no slouch in terms of camera specs, it trails the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL with their more powerful 48MP ultra-wide and telephoto lenses versus 10MP for the Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro and XL have longer 30x digital zooms too. Nevertheless, I'm excited with everything Google has brought to the table with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's not only the most improved foldable, it could be the new foldable phone to beat.